Hello mga ka-virgins! So welcome to my channel. So as promised kahapon, nag-unboxing tayo ng SJcam na in-order ko sa Amazon sa United States, sa US, United States of America. So as promised nyo, today bala ko siyang i-try. Kahapon kasi hindi ko siya na-try kasi yung helmet ko is half face. Yung dala kong helmet. So hindi siya masyadong maganda kasi medyo nakatuwad siya. So ngayon nailagay ko siya sa full face na helmet ko. Shout out sa Gilly. Sa Gilly helmet. So I think na fix ko naman siya na maayos. At the same time din is na-install ko naman yung SJcam app. So yun ang gagawin kong control mamaya habang tinetest natin siya. So ang objective natin ngayon mga ka-virgins is matest natin yung stability niya, of course. Tsaka naka 4K resolution ako ngayon with 30 FPS. Wala akong nakitang stability control yung sa settings niya, pero may drive control. So yun natetest natin. Tingnan natin kung mauga ba siya or hindi. Okay, so yeah, samahan nyo ako. Intro muna tayo mga ka-virgins, and then samahan nyo ako sa aking testing ng SJcam ko.
There are a few things you just can't learn from a textbook, that you have to live through, to see, to be fully entrenched in. Because here is a simple truth. This world is a tough place. Getting what you want, making the most of the time you have, requires that you put yourself in the position to succeed. It means you see a finish line before one exists. Look, no one's ever gonna call you and tell you how incredible your idea is. You can't build a business on potential or win a championship on promise. Results are binary. You either accomplished something or you simply did not. Right? That's it. That's what people see, the result. So that means every second, every step of the way from where you are right now until you cross the finish line depends on you and your thoughts. How you internalize failure, how you look at setbacks. When no one is around to pat you on the back or tell you how great you are, will you have enough self-belief to move forward? Because my friends, that's the hardest part. That's what no one talks about. Having the courage to wake up every single day of your life and know that you are building towards something incredible. You are creating a masterpiece from the ground up. And that means that when you're looking in the mirror, you believe in what's staring back at you. You see the unseen and you are willing to bring it to life. That is the foundation that you build greatness on. And it's a daily pursuit, creating milestones, designing the small wins that keep you going, that keep you moving, that get you past all those times you so desperately want to turn around, but know that for you, it simply isn't an option. That is not your reality. You have more waiting for you. And so you press on, cloaked in confidence, you move into the unknown, seeking the day the rest of the world looks up and calls you lucky. They'll look at what you built and say how fortunate you are, but they won't comprehend the 20-hour days, the focus, the ridicule for being different or obsessive or nonconformist. They won't know that self-belief trumped all of that. That it was everything. The word great is separate for a reason. It implies a specific set of beliefs and values. It means you saw light when most people saw darkness. It means you said yes when most people said no. You moved forward when the rest of the world turned around. Believe in your greatness. See it, live it. It is there, and you need to know that it's there, because it will make all the difference. Your self-belief will define you.
Today, you were far away, and I didn't ask you why. Could I say I was far away? You just walked away, and I just watched you. I say, how close am I to losing you? Tonight, I just watch you slip away. How close am I to losing you? Are you awake? Yeah, I'm right here. What can I ask you? About today? How close am I today? wide. What could I say? I was far away. You just walked away. And I just watched you. What could I say? How close am I to losing you? Tonight, you just close your eyes and I just watch you. Slip away. How close am I to losing you? Hey, are you awake? Yeah, I'm right here. What can I ask you? About today? How close am I to losing you? How close am I to losing?
So yun mga ka-virgins, tapos na tayo na mag-test drive ng SJcam natin, SJ4000 with dual camera. So abangan nyo mamaya, pag na-check ko siya, pag na-review ko siya, kung so tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung stabilization niya, yung drive control niya. Tingnan natin yung kung maganda yung 4K resolution niya with 30 FPS or ibaba natin siya sa 1080p. Tingnan din natin yung wide angle niya kasi according to sa review ko, sa mga sa mga nabasa ko, napanood ko sa manual, is naka wide angle na to. So yung iba kasi nagpapalit pa ng sa unang SJcam na 4000 is na air, nagpapalit pa sila ng lens, ng GoPro lens para magkaroon ng wide angle ang kuha. So check natin yan mamaya mga ka-virgins kung goods na ba tong SJcam natin. Nakuha natin sa very cheap price, very good entry level na camera. Tingnan natin ang review ko mamaya. At the same time, I used sa test drive natin ngayon, ginamit ko yung SJcam app. So all of my controls was with SJcam app. In-stop ko at play ko yung video using the SJcam app. So naka wifi siya naka-connect siya sa phone ko. Okay, so mga ka-virgins, see you later. I-review natin siya after the test ride. Okay, thank you. Hello mga ka-virgins. So, yun na nga. Ito na yung review natin. Actually, tapos ko na rin yung videos at yung ginawa, yung video natin kanina sa test drive ng ating SJcam. So, yeah, mga ka-virgins. So, nakita nyo naman sa video, kung pinanood nyo yung video, it was a success. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Honestly, not just because this is my first action cam, but I was really impressed by the mostly nung sa stability niya. Sa drive control niya, as you can see, hindi siya malikot, hindi siya masyadong ma-vibrate. Very minimal lang ang vibration niya. Tapos yung wide angle niya, guys, ang dami kong napapanood sa YouTube na nagpapalit pa ng lens ng una do sa first na version na ito, which is the Air, I think, SJcam 4000 Air. Pinapalitan pa nila ito just so that they can achieve yung wide angle. Pero dito, guys, very good. As you can see on my videos, on my test drive, na kitang-kita mo lahat. It's very wide, vertically and horizontally. So, very good. Stability, wide angle check, and the 4K resolution is also, let's say, for me, kasi wala pa naman akong other camera, action cam like GoPro na mamahalin talaga. So for me, it was very nice. I was really impressed by this, and hopefully, again, this is my first action cam. This is also my second vlog after the unboxing nito. So hopefully magsama kami na matagal and talaga mapakinabangan ko siya. And more vlogs, more content para sa ating channel. So guys, yeah, yun lang. So just a quick review. As you can see, the video, it says itself, the video says itself na talagang maganda siya. It's very cheap, very tama-tama lang ang presyo. Ako, nakuha ko pa siya for a very cheap price. Imagine $45 in Amazon. So what, that was less than 2,500, less than 2,500, and I got free shipping. So paano ko pala ginawa yan, very quick lang din, is I sign up for Amazon, and just like any other e-commerce website platform, na if you're new to them, you get vouchers. So nagamit ko yung voucher ko dito. I think I got 20% discount, if I'm not mistaken, plus another voucher of free shipping. Imagine free shipping from US dito sa Philippines. So yun lang. So very quick review. Late na rin ngayon. I just want to finish this video and don't want to procrastinate. But again, thank you so much to you guys. If you like my video, I hope you can give me, you can subscribe as one of my very few subscribers, and also like my videos. So thank you so much, and God bless and have a good night.